The Pulcro.io TK2 mini PC combines a modern Intel N150 processor with solid-state storage and generous memory, so everyday computing and smart home tasks feel quick and responsive despite the tiny chassis. Because it arrives with Home Assistant already installed, it works exceptionally well as a dedicated smart home hub that can coordinate lights, blinds, thermostats, and other connected devices without extra setup hassle. Triple display support at 4K resolution across HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB Type-C means this little box can comfortably drive a full productivity or dashboard workstation with sharp, detailed visuals. Its networking and wireless options are unusually strong for a mini system, with fast wired Ethernet, dual-band Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, giving you flexible, reliable connectivity for both peripherals and home automation gear. The internal design allows you to expand memory and storage well beyond the base configuration, which makes the system a good long-term platform that can grow with heavier workloads or larger media libraries. Despite its upgrade potential, the unit remains compact, quiet, and power efficient, so it can run around the clock behind a monitor or in a network closet without drawing much energy or adding noticeable noise.